How to translate text messages in Google Messages on your Android device. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. Say for example, there are two steps if you want to send a message and translate it, or if you want to receive it. Both will be shown here. So the first is sending. So first you click on the text message tab. Then you'll find the option here on the left of four boxes. Click on that and click on Google Translate here. Once you click on that, for example, I want to translate it to any random language and I type a text here. Once I type a text, automatically it will be typed here. And this is how you can translate your language. My current language is English, so I translated it into this language. And now to receive a translated message, say for example you got a translated message, you click on that, you click on copy and you click on this option again and you click on Google Translate and you just paste it. Detect language should be the option you have to choose. You have to paste it and you have to choose which language you want it converted in. Say for example you want it in this language converted so that you can understand it. Once you do that, here you can see in the inbox the language is converted in the language you want to see it in. If it's some unknown language that you want to convert it in and see how it's working, so this is how you do it. If this message helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.